TBK958T portal laser machine. Compact size, lightweight body, Bluetooth fast connection. 3 steps to dismantle and remove the back glass of the phone. 1. Creating corresponding joining. 2. Manually focus the weapon to install the protective modes. 3. Start the dismantling work. Due to the laser work produces a lot of smoke gas and radiation blue light, we tailor-made isolation covered with TBK958T activated charcoal smoking instrument. Effectively purify the air, at the same time to protect the eyesight, to bring us a healthy and comfortable working environment. The back cover of our cell phone has been removed within minutes. Only need a tool to remove the broken glass. Can be used to complete the repair work with the pressure preservation tool. When engraving or cutting deeply into materials like wood or plastic, the utility of both the barrier shield and the smoke extractor becomes even more pronounced. The depth of the carving work is equally impressive.